Start.
Switch it on. Motor was running. Okay. Then we have to pull this switch. Full turn switch.
Fan. Okay.
Next, we have to operate that high-low blower. Now the AC was switched on. Now the AC was offed. Okay. Now you can feel the air. Now I am going to switch on the AC. Once that AC was switched on, means that compressor will be engaged with that magnetic clutch.
Okay.
The magnetic clutch was engaged with that compressor, and now you can feel the AC gas.
Okay. So this is for fan air.
That is for blower.
Blower.
This is for AC gas.
AC.
In this project we didn't give the battery, but in Karnataka project we have given the battery. The battery connection must mandatory in Karnataka project.
Okay. Battery is must.
Must.
Thank you.